Hi girls, today I will explain to you how to take care of your hair topper, so how to wash it. So first of all, you don't have to wash it every week. It's better to wash it maybe once every 5 to 6 weeks because it's not good to wash the piece too often. Before starting, you can first brush your piece because it's important that you don't have too many knots before, because if you have a lot of knots before, it will be even worse after. Then you check that all the clips are closed. And you can start, you can put water on your piece. During all the next steps, it will be important to not let the piece inside water for a very long time on a bath, because it can have a bad effect on the silk area that could take this shape after. So it's better to just do like this, but not put the piece under water and let it a long time under water. So you will take some shampoo, the brand that you want, it's not that important. Any brand that you use on your own hair will be good. If it's a color, a dyed piece like blonde, you can use shampoo for dyed hair, but any good shampoo will be okay. So you put the shampoo on the length. You can put a bit here on the roots, but take care to not put too much shampoo, conditioner or other thing on the silk or on the lace, because the oily product can unknot the knots. So it's important to not put too much here, but because you still need to wash a bit the roots, you can do like this. It's still okay, but not like this. So you just put shampoo a bit everywhere, but mostly on the lens. And then you rinse, you put some water. Then you add conditioner, also on the length, mostly on the length, and you can put a bit on the roots without doing this. And you can wait 2 to 3 minutes with conditioner. It's important after on shampoo to use conditioner to close the cuticles. At this step, you can also brush your piece a bit, because with conditioner and with the mask, you will be able to unknot if the piece is a bit tangled. And then you wash. At the end, you can use a hair mask. Silicone mix is good if your piece is a bit dried after or dehydrated after some months of daily use, especially for very blonde piece or light brown piece. You can use silicone mix that you can order on Amazon, or any mask for really dry hair, and it will hydrate your piece. And also, again, mostly on the lens, you can put a bit on the roots, but not too much. And you can also again brush with a comb or with a brush your piece, and it's really satisfying. And then you can let the piece like this for 2 to 10 minutes to 1 hour, as you want. And at the end, you rinse your piece. I don't know if rinse exists, but you put water on it. Take care to put a lot of water to be sure that there is no shampoo, mask or conditioner anymore. It's important to wash a lot, because if not your hair will be maybe a bit oily. And at the end you can use cold, very cold water to make the cuticles to be really closed, and the hair will be more shiny. At the end you can let it dry like this, or on a wig stand, or blow dry it with a blow dryer.